Namaskar, I am Krishna Mishra from India Meteorological Department. I will be presenting weekly weather review and outlook for next 2 weeks. So as we can see, in the last week we had 4 systems. A low pressure area developed over northwest Bay of Bengal. On 13th of August, it moved across central India and was found over northeast MP as a low pressure area and became less marked on 18th of August. In the next 24 hours, we again found a low pressure area over North Bay of Bengal on 19th of August, which strengthened into a well-marked low pressure area on the same day, and which is today lying over interior Odisha and neighborhood region. Next, we had a monsoon trough to the south of its normal position throughout the week. So coming to the next slide. So in this week, active monsoon conditions prevailed, and what we achieved was plus 42% above normal rainfall over the country. And due to this excess rainfall, flooding in the rivers, inundation of low-lying areas, and urban flooding, especially over Telangana, South Chhattisgarh, South Odisha, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Delhi NCR, and Jaipur region were observed. Landslides also occurred in hilly areas of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. As expected, we know that during active monsoon conditions, northeastern states and extreme southern peninsula receive below normal rainfall. Coming to the next slide. So this is the comparison between last week and the last week. So the week ending on 12th August 2020 observed 13% above normal monsoon and rainfall, and the week ending on 19th August 2020 received 42% above normal rainfall. We can see that the number of deficient subdivisions, which was 12 in the week ending on 12th August, reduced to number of subdivisions 10 in the week ending on 19th August. So coming to the next slide, we can see that the entire country throughout the monsoon season, as we know that monsoon season begins from 1st of June and ends at 30th of September. So during 1st June to 19th August, entire country observed 648.8 mm of rainfall, which was 5% above normal rainfall. So we can see the central India, south peninsular India, east and northeast India received above normal rainfall, and northwest India, which was quite below normal, has compensated and has come to only less than only minus 17% of departure from the normal. We can see in this graph that starting from the monsoonal season, we had active monsoon conditions and the monsoon was above normal. But when we came to the end, last 2 weeks of July, we received below normal rainfall, and in the first week of August also it was below normal rainfall, and now in second week and third week again we are getting above normal rainfall. Coming to the next slide. This is the synoptic situation on today. Today, as we discussed in the first slide, today there is well-marked low pressure area over north interior Odisha and neighborhood. This well-marked low pressure area is very likely to move westwards across central India and is likely to be located over Gujarat region by 24th and become less marked there. So due to this low pressure area, Odisha, Chhattisgarh and Telangana are likely to receive extremely heavy rainfall, that is greater than 20 centimeter rainfall today and over West MP tomorrow and over Gujarat day after tomorrow. So next, so this is the forecast wind for next 1 week. So in this circulation feature, we can see that the low pressure area is this circulation which it is moving westward corresponds to that low pressure area over interior Odisha. So that is moving across central India and going up to Gujarat region. And again we can see that on 24th of August, another low pressure area, another circulation is developing over North Bay of Bengal. So if we come to the forecast, then for week 1, we can see the almost entire country except our Jammu and Kashmir region, West Rajasthan and Southern Peninsula, entire country is likely to receive above normal rainfall. So monsoon conditions would remain active in this coming week due to the low pressure area which is currently over interior Odisha and another likely development of low pressure area by 24th of August. But we can see that the subsequent week, the week from 28th August to 3rd September, we can see that these regions, South Peninsular India, Rajasthan and Western Himalayan region and Gujarat, they are going to receive below normal rainfall, and this is due to there is no likelihood of formation of a low pressure area over North Bay of Bengal, and monsoon trough is likely to remain to the north of its normal position. So this picture we can see, this shows the anomaly or departure of the rainfall from its normal value. So coming to the next slide, we can see that for week 1, as we discussed, the well-marked low pressure area over interior Odisha is likely to move westwards across central India, and consequently the monsoon trough will remain to the south of its normal position and active up to 24th August. By 24th August, the low pressure area will become less marked over Gujarat region, and next another low pressure area is likely to form over 23rd August over North Bay of Bengal, which is likely to move westwards across South UP and North MP region. So up to 30th of August, active monsoon conditions are likely. After that, so we can see that due to this low pressure area, extremely heavy rainfall are likely over Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Odisha today and MP over tomorrow and Gujarat region day after tomorrow and southeast Rajasthan as well. And by the formation of another low pressure area on 24th, Odisha, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand are very likely to receive isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall. So this is the weather warning issued by India Meteorological Department on today for next 5 days. So as we discussed, due to this low pressure area, extremely heavy rainfall likely over these red colored regions, and these orange colors show that isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely, and over West MP tomorrow isolated extremely heavy rainfall is likely, and then on 22nd we are likely to receive extremely heavy rainfall over East Rajasthan and Gujarat region, and on 23rd Saurashtra and Kutch is very likely to receive isolated extremely heavy rainfall. After that, this region will be getting a respite from active monsoon conditions, and under the impression of another formation of another likely low pressure area. Again, GWB, Jharkhand and Odisha will be having isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall. So during the week 2, the overall monsoon flow is very likely to be weakened, and likelihood of formation of a low pressure area over Bay of Bengal is very less, and monsoon trough is likely to remain to the north of its normal position. So the rainfall activity would be subjected to only northern parts of India, and some adjoining areas of the central India. So below normal rainfall activity will be continuing over South Peninsular India, Northeast India and Central India. So that is the weekly review of the last week and forecast for next 2 weeks. Thank you very much.